Remove the pen and the GBA slot cover. Remove the battery cover and the battery. Remove 2 rubber pads, here and here. Remove 3 silver tri-ring screws, here, here and here. And remove 1 black tri-ring screw here. Remove 2 gold Phillips head screws here and here. And 1 silver Phillips head screw. Whilst holding down the corner buttons, lift the bottom part of the case free. Remove the corner buttons along with their spring and axis. Remove 2 Phillips head screws here and here. Unclip the antenna wire here and the microphone wire here. Pull the microphone wire out from underneath the game socket. Push the screen gently from the other side to lift the motherboard from the casing. Release the top screen ribbon cable clip like this. And pull the ribbon cable out. Remove the old rubber button backings and replace them with the new ones. Push the top screen ribbon cable firmly in to the ribbon cable clip. It is very important that the ribbon cable is pushed firmly and all the way into the ribbon cable clip. If the ribbon cable is not connected properly, the DS will not turn on. Clip the ribbon cable clip down. Run the microphone wire exactly like this. And the antenna wire exactly like this. And then lay the motherboard down into the case. Attach 2 silver Phillips head screws here and here. Make sure your microphone wire is exiting the motherboard here and the antenna wire is exiting under the motherboard here. If the wires are not run exactly like this, the case will not shut properly. Run the antenna wire underneath the game socket. It may take several attempts to thread it under the game socket. Clip the antenna wire back here and the microphone wire back here. If you haven't already done so, replace 2 small silver Phillips head screws here and here. Place the corner button axis in place. Thread the corner buttons along with their springs onto the corner button axis. Load the spring arms into the designated spring arm retainers. The next point is important. Make sure the power and the volume toggles in the case are in the same position as the internal power, and volume switches. If the toggles and the switches are not aligned, you will snap the internal switches as you replace the case. Replace the DS case backing. Replace a small silver Phillips head screw here. Replace 3 silver tri-ring screws here, here, and here. Replace 1 black tri-ring screw here. Replace 2 gold Phillips head screws here and here. Replace the battery and the battery cover. Replace 2 rubber pads here and here.